In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Wayfair using 5 proven methods for 2025. Whether you're an experienced seller or just starting out, there's a strategy here for you. Let's dive right in. First, consider joining as a Wayfair partner. This program allows you to sell directly on Wayfair's platform. Start by heading over to Wayfair's website, where you'll want to click on the option to sell as a Wayfair partner. This step opens the door to a vast market of potential customers who are already shopping on the site. Once you've selected to become a partner, you'll need to complete an application on partners.wayfair.com. This process includes providing details about your business, and once approved, you're ready to start uploading your home products. This can include furniture, decor, and lighting. Wayfair's large customer base and trusted reputation can significantly boost the visibility of your products. After setting up your partner status, you can earn from wholesale sales. One major advantage here is that Wayfair handles customer service and shipping, which allows you to focus more on sourcing and uploading new products. This setup not only saves you time, but also enhances customer satisfaction since Wayfair is known for its reliable service. Another way to capitalize on Wayfair's reach is through its affiliate marketing program. You can join this program via platforms like cj.com or impact.com. As an affiliate, you'll promote Wayfair products using deep links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. This method is perfect for those who have a blog, social media presence, or any online platform where you can integrate these links effectively. If you're passionate about content creation, consider starting a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or even a blog focused on home styling. Creating engaging home decor content can drive significant traffic. In your bio or video descriptions, add Wayfair affiliate links. When your audience follows these links and makes purchases, you'll earn commissions. This approach not only leverages your content creation skills, but also aligns them with monetization opportunities. For professionals like interior designers or contractors, joining the Wayfair Professional Program could be a lucrative option. This program offers exclusive discounts, which you can capitalize on by reselling to clients for profit. It's a fantastic way to add value to your business services while increasing earnings through the price differential. Finally, consider flipping open box or clearance items. These products are often discounted and can be purchased at wayfair.com